Hello, it's Wednesday the 29th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So what's your view on how many rate cuts we'll see this year? There are mixed views in the market and debate has compounded ever since Governor Bailey acknowledged that the MPC could loosen their laser focus on inflation and add consideration on how to support the UK economy. Rate cuts are seen to be the natural consequence of inflation falling, and the MPC cut twice last year against a backdrop of stuttering growth. Where GDP growth is still bumbling along the bottom, many are calling out for more aggressive rate cuts to help stimulate growth. The market is pricing in at least 2 cuts this year, but some think we'll see a 25 basis point cut next week and a steady pace of quarterly cuts for the rest of the year. Goldman Sachs has even made a call for cuts to go on longer than currently expected. They see 6 cuts over the next 18 months, with the cycle ending with a base rate 1.5% lower. Starmer has been on. He's been talking up the economy. He claimed the economy is starting to turn around. That is contrary to growing fears that we're actually teetering on the brink of recession once again. Perhaps somebody should just slip him the memo about Trump's tariff plans. Meanwhile, over in the US, focus is very much on the Fed and whether Powell will clash with Trump by leaving interest rates unchanged. Don't forget, dear old Donald has claimed that he understands interest rates better than the Fed, but he very much wants to see rates cut. Everyone is keeping an eye on the inflationary element of Trump's tariff plans, so the Fed minutes could be a little more interesting this time around, especially where many feel that dear old Donald does not believe the Fed could or even should bring inflation back to the 2% target. However, where Trump's policies should retain a fairly robust economy, regardless of that inflationary risk, this lends support to the dollar, and the dollar index challenged the 108 level yesterday. In the market, we kick off this morning around 124.55 against the dollar, 119.50 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 104.20 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Back tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.